Hello guys, welcome back. I'm now currently working with football style poster design. So let's start. First, create a new file. If you need to design for social media like Instagram, Facebook. So go to Art and Illustration, select 1000 pixel grid and select the color RGB and select resolution 150 is enough and click on create. So and now let me open image. There is my favorite player, Messi. So there. First, I need to move this stadium to here and hold Alt key, make expand, hold Alt key more. And now click apply and don't forget lock your background stadium. So next, go to select the character chart here and hold Alt key, change the size and set here. Hold Alt key, set here like. And next, click on apply and select eraser. Right click, select a soft round eraser, control the size, a little bit big size, erase and erase like this. And now go to select this image. So this image is not PNG. Take a look, select and go to first change from index color to RGB. Go to image, adjustment, go to image mode, select RGB and go back to select and select subject. Wait for selection and take a look to select perfect. Hold Alt key, scroll mouse, zoom in. Everything is okay. So little bit control this point and this point. Select quick selection, hold Alt key to erase this area. Hold Alt key, select this area. Let's see another part of image. Control this parts, hold Alt key, deselect again. So everything is okay. Hold Alt key, great. And now select the move tool, drag and drop the character right there and change the size and set here. Okay guys, what is next? Next, I need to write the name. Select the title, click here and change the title color right here. Messi, Mr. Miss. Select all and make black to make more bold and change the size. Click OK. Move the name behind of image. Set right there. Okay, and now I need to make one filter color that's blue, color grades, and select the background. Turn off the lock key and go to image. Select color lookup and select one of these colors. Change. Let's see. Make a cool color. So let's see. Where is the cool color? This one is too not bad. Let's change again. Click OK. Select this one. Go back to adjustment. Select the color lookup. Click OK. Select another one. Go back to adjustment and select the color lookup. Select for this one too. I like this and click OK. So select the title, set the title right there, and now right click, go to blending option, and select color overlay to make orange color and go to level down, control the size. Let's see, change opacity and make bright yellow. Let's control to make normal, up and down. Let's change again the color white and let's select bevel and emboss. I think I don't want to use the effect because this simple white color is better. So guys, if you need to apply more effects, select the brush, close. Let me see, cloud brush. So I don't have the cloud brush. So let me open cloud image. So let's go to file, open and select the cloud. Drag and drop to your final image design and move it up and press Ctrl plus T to turn on the transform. Hold Alt key, change the size, set right there, one, and hold Alt key, another one, set right there like this. And let's take one more copy, hold Alt key, set right there. So let's see, set him, click on apply and select crop, hold Alt key to make portrait design, click apply. And now there you can see poster design of football Messi player. And final, go to file, save a copy, select desktop and select JPEG or JPG. Select desktop and final, click save, click OK. Go to file, let's see the final poster design. Here is. So guys, don't forget select your materials in full HD or 4K quality to save in 4K quality again. And don't forget, if you need to save your project layers, hold shift, select all of them, go to layers and go to select so if you need to save your all layers individual, go to export as, select export as and select your layers, PNG, select this one, change to JPEG, select your title, select the PNG, turn on the transparency, select this image, select JPEG, or if you need to save in PNG, select PNG and click on export. So you need to export all of them. Hold shift, select all, click on export and select desktop, create a new folder and write your folder name, double click, select folder and wait for export. Go back to desktop and check there is your all materials of the poster design. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to design a football poster in Photoshop.